Chapter 10. The Universe. Key elements: stars, natural satellite or moon, constellations, other heavenly bodies, our solar system, our planet, Earth. Our universe is a large and unimaginable expanse of dust, particles, gases, stars, clouds, galaxies, and life. Stars. Look up at the clear night sky. You can see a large number of stars twinkling in the sky. Star is a big ball of very hot and glowing gases. Stars produce their own light. Some stars are very bright and some are dim because all the stars are not at the same distance from us. Some are closer and some are farther from us. The closer a star to us, the brighter it will appear. Stars vary in sizes. Many stars have been found 100 to 200 times larger than the sun. We can see stars only at night, but actually the stars are present in the sky during the day also. During the day, the sun makes the sky so bright that we cannot see the stars. Sun is also a star. It appears so large and bright as compared to other stars because it is much closer to us than any other stars. VY Canis Majoris is one of the largest known stars located in the constellation Canis Major. Constellations. Sometimes we see different groups of stars arranged in beautiful patterns, making the shapes of some animals or people. These group of stars that make imaginary shapes in the night are called constellations. Different constellations are seen at different places or at different times. Some common constellations are Leo, Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, Orion, the Hunter, etc. Boost your brain. Stars seem to twinkle because their light travels through the Earth's atmosphere and the turbulence in the atmosphere affect the ways stars are seen. Our solar system. Our solar system consists of sun, planets, moons, and other heavenly bodies like comets, asteroids, and meteoroids. Planets. Planets are the celestial bodies that revolve around the sun in their fixed orbits. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the inner planets made of iron and rocks. These 4 planets are closer to the sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are outer planets made of frozen gases. These 4 planets are far away from the sun. Mercury is the smallest and the closest planet to the sun. It is hot during the day and cold at night. Its surface is rocky like moon. It has no air. Venus is the second planet from the sun and the 6th largest planet in the solar system. It is the brightest and hottest planet. Venus is called the morning and evening star because it is first seen in the morning and evening. Boost your brain. Venus is the only planet which spins from east to west, while other planets spin from west to east. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the only planet that supports life. It has water and air which are essential for the survival of living organism. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun and the 7th largest planet in the solar system. It is also called the red planet because it is covered by red dust. It can easily be seen from Earth with the naked eyes. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant with mass 1,000th that of the sun. Jupiter's rotation is the fastest of all the solar system's planets. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun and the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. It is the lightest planet. It is famous for its beautiful rings made up of pieces of rocks. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun and the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. The tilt of the Uranus works out so that one pole or the other is usually pointed towards the Sun. It is a greenish in color because it is covered with thick layer of blue-green gas. It is the first planet discovered by telescope. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and the 4th largest planet in the solar system. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is similar in composition to Uranus. Neptune's outer atmosphere is one of the coldest places in the solar system. Knowledge nugget. Why is Pluto not considered as a planet or called as a dwarf planet? Pluto is the coldest and farthest planet from the Sun. Pluto shares an area of its orbit with Neptune. It does not have its own area. That is why it is considered as a dwarf planet. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet in its orbit. Natural satellite or moon. A natural satellite or moon is a celestial body that orbits a planet. In our solar system, Mercury and Venus have no moons. Earth has one large moon known as the moon, and Mars has two tiny moons. The large gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune have extensive systems of moons. Jupiter has 80 known moons, Saturn has 82 moons, while Uranus and Neptune have 27 and 14 known moons respectively. Other heavenly bodies. Comets. Comets are the heavenly bodies in the solar system which appear as a ball of bright light with distinct head and glowing tail orbiting around the Sun. Boost your brain. Halley's Comet or Comet Halley is the best known of the short-period comets and is visible from Earth every 75 to 79 years. Asteroids. Asteroids are the heavenly bodies made up of rocks and metals that revolve around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The region where thousands of asteroids are found revolving around the Sun is called asteroid belt. Boost your brain. The largest known asteroid is Ceres by far. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are chunks of rocks and metals thrown away by the collision of comets and asteroids. Many meteoroids fall towards the Earth's atmosphere and get completely burnt due to the generation of heat. They are called meteors while falling through the atmosphere and meteorites when they reach the Earth's surface. Our planet Earth. Earth is the only planet that has all the features essential for sustaining life. In the very beginning of the Earth's history, this planet was a giant, red-hot, rolling and boiling sea of molten rocks. It cooled down slowly over millions of years and formed the rocky land and water. The Earth is made up of 3 layers. Outmost layer is called crust, middle layer is called mantle, and innermost layer is called core. Crust is the coolest layer on which we live. It is categorized in 2 types, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Mantle is the thick layer of rocks rich in iron and magnesium. The core has inner and outer core. It is solid in the inner core, while the outer core is liquid, very hot temperature and high pressure. Takeaways. Star is a big ball of hot and glowing gases. The group of stars that makes an imaginary shape in the night sky is called constellation. Planets are the celestial bodies that revolve around the Sun in their fixed orbits. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are our 8 planets. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth.